Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Lola Tallulah, and I am here to do a Not Too Shabby Shop design team project for the new Lazy Days collection that she has. So definitely go out to the shop and look at what's still in there. I will also link above and below the video that I did on the unboxing of everything so that you can see that in more depth, because I'm just going to go through it quickly. And so what I have for you here is a card share that I'm going to put out there, and then my next video will be a tutorial video, so don't forget to go check that out, and it'll be up on the Not Too Shabby Shop site. So you've got this Lazy Days collection, and it's so cute. So let me go ahead and show you the pieces just quickly. So you have this stamp set, which I used both of the sentiments here, that sentiment. Then you have this one, and I used that one. And then you have a third stamp set in the collection, and believe you can still get everything singly or as a bundle. And then there is a set of ephemera, and so I have used some of these pieces, so they are in there. Then you have two different paper pads. You have the Lazy Days patterns, and so here you can see what they look like, and then the backs. And it's 6x6, and it's got a little shininess to it. Okay. And then you have the second one, which is the Lazy Days Basics. So I actually end up using this one today, and where'd it go? And this one. So I'll show you those quickly. So here's this one, and then that piece. Excuse me. So I used those pieces, and you can see how lovely they are. All mine are mixed together now. And I also used this Sizzix die. So don't forget that just because, get out your old stash stuff that you have, because you can always make it new again, new and fresh. So let me go ahead and show you the card. So here's the card. It's a flip card. Boom. So down here at the bottom, you can see where I colored one of the images, and I gave her like this teal and hot pinkish purple, which definitely matches the paper. I used the ephemera piece here. I stamped those two sentiments out on this thing here. You can see the layers of the card are actually that paper. And then I cut out the designs here to mat that section. One of the ephemera pieces, I think I said that. And then I put two of the donuts on the back. Okay. Now this piece here is some hunky-dory paper, so that's what the base is. Then you have a mat here, and I did some triple layering here, and it says, "It's okay to take a break. You deserve some me time." Isn't that so cute? She's so adorable. I love it. And then you got all these little cookies and donuts, and I don't personally drink coffee, but you got your little coffee there and so forth. So I just thought that was cute. And then it'll stand up, and then it'll go flat when you put it in the mail. So you don't really mail it like this, you mail it like that. And so it'll fit in the envelope, and there you go. Now you could also go ahead and write a message on the back, so you can mat that here, or you could put it there, anywhere you would like to put your mat. So that is my card share for this week. And then, like I said before, stay tuned on the Not Too Shabby Shop, because everybody is going to be putting up their tutorial videos over there, and it will be interesting to see and watch. All right, see you guys later. Be safe out there and have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.